The future is here. Robots and automation are rapidly changing the world as we know it. This technological revolution is impacting every aspect of our lives. One area where the impact is most profound is the workplace. Robots are now performing tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. This shift is happening across various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is crucial to examine both the challenges and opportunities that this transformation presents. Join me as we explore the evolving landscape of work in the age of automation. Manufacturing is one of the first industries to experience the transformative power of robots. Assembly lines, once teeming with human workers, are now increasingly populated by robotic arms. These mechanical marvels perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed unmatched by their human counterparts. The integration of robots in manufacturing has led to increased efficiency and productivity. Factories can now produce more goods in less time with fewer defects. However, this progress has come at a cost. The rise of robots has also resulted in job displacement for many factory workers. The retail industry is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Automated checkouts are becoming increasingly common. Customers can now scan and pay for their purchases without interacting with a human cashier. This shift towards self-service is driven by a desire for convenience and efficiency, but automation in retail extends beyond the checkout line. AI-powered chatbots are now being used to handle customer inquiries. These virtual assistants can provide instant support and answer questions 24/7. While this technology offers benefits for businesses, it also raises concerns about the future of human employment in the retail sector. The transportation industry is on the cusp of a revolution. The development of self-driving vehicles is poised to reshape our roads and cities. Autonomous trucks could soon be hauling goods across highways. Self-driving taxis might become a common sight in urban areas. The implications of this shift are far-reaching. While autonomous vehicles have the potential to improve safety and efficiency, they also threaten the livelihoods of millions of truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers. The transition to a world with driverless vehicles will require careful planning and consideration to mitigate the impact on those whose jobs are at risk. Section 5. The AI Customer Service Revolution. Customer service is another industry being transformed by artificial intelligence. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are increasingly being used to handle customer queries. These sophisticated systems can understand and respond to natural language. They can also learn from past interactions to provide personalized support. The rise of AI in customer service offers several advantages. Businesses can provide 24/7 support without the need for human agents. Customers can receive instant assistance regardless of the time of day. However, this technology also raises concerns about the potential displacement of human customer service representatives. Section 6. Will robots take our jobs? The duality of automation. The question of whether robots will take our jobs is a complex one. It's a topic that has sparked debates across various industries and among experts. On one hand, automation promises increased efficiency and productivity. On the other hand, it raises concerns about job security and the future of work. There's no denying that automation will lead to job displacement in certain sectors. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks, such as those in manufacturing and retail, are particularly vulnerable. For instance, assembly line workers and cashiers may find their roles being taken over by machines. Tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and easily automated are most susceptible to being taken over by machines. This includes not only factory work, but also roles in transportation like truck driving, where self-driving technology is making significant strides. This shift is already happening in industries like manufacturing, retail, and transportation. Automated warehouses and delivery drones are becoming more common, changing the landscape of these sectors. However, it's not a simple equation of robots replacing humans. Automation also has the potential to enhance human capabilities and create new job opportunities. For example, robots can take over dangerous or monotonous tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. Automation also creates new opportunities. As technology evolves, new industries and job roles are emerging. The tech sector in particular is seeing a surge in demand for skilled professionals. The development, implementation, and maintenance of these advanced technologies require skilled professionals. Engineers, technicians, and programmers are essential for building and maintaining automated systems. New roles are emerging in fields like robotics engineering, AI development, and data analytics. These positions not only offer exciting career opportunities, but also play a crucial role in shaping the future of work. As we navigate this transition, it's important to focus on reskilling and upskilling the workforce to meet the demands of a rapidly changing job market. Section 7. Skills for the future. Thriving in an automated world. To thrive in an age of automation, we need to adapt and develop skills that complement machines. Critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence will be highly valued in the future workforce. These are skills that robots are not yet able to replicate. Lifelong learning will also be essential. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, we must be prepared to continuously update our skills and knowledge. Embracing a growth mindset and being adaptable to change will be crucial for navigating the evolving job market. Section 8. Navigating the transition, education, retraining, and ethical considerations. The transition to an automated workforce presents both challenges and opportunities. As industries evolve, the demand for traditional jobs may decrease, but new roles will emerge requiring a different set of skills and knowledge. This shift necessitates a comprehensive approach to education and retraining. Governments and educational institutions need to play a proactive role in preparing the workforce for the future. This involves not only updating curricula to include emerging technologies, but also fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptability among students and professionals. This includes investing in education and training programs that focus on developing skills that are in high demand. Coding boot camps, vocational training, and specialized courses in AI and robotics are essential to equip individuals with the tools they need to thrive in an automated world. Addressing the ethical considerations surrounding automation is also paramount. As we integrate more intelligent systems into our daily lives, we must consider the implications on privacy, security, and employment. Ethical guidelines and frameworks are necessary to navigate these complex issues. As machines become more intelligent and autonomous, we need to establish clear guidelines for their development and deployment. This includes ensuring transparency in AI decision-making processes and preventing biases in automated systems. We must ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically, with the goal of benefiting humanity as a whole. By fostering collaboration between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers, we can create a future where automation enhances human potential and contributes to societal well-being. Section 9. Conclusion. A future of collaboration. The future of work in an age of automation is not about robots versus humans. It's about creating a harmonious environment where both can coexist and thrive. As we move forward, the integration of advanced technologies into our daily lives will become more seamless, making it essential to understand the dynamics of this collaboration. It's about finding ways for humans and machines to work together effectively. This means developing new skills, fostering innovation, and ensuring that both humans and robots can complement each other's strengths. In manufacturing, offices, and even customer service, the synergy between human intuition and robotic precision can lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and creativity. By embracing automation and adapting to the changing nature of work, we can create a future where technology complements and enhances our capabilities. This involves not just the adoption of new tools, but also a cultural shift towards continuous learning and adaptation. As we harness the power of automation, we must also remain vigilant about its impact on our work and lives. The key lies in striking a balance between leveraging the efficiency of automation and preserving the unique qualities that make us human. This balance is crucial for ensuring that technology serves as an enabler rather than a replacement. By focusing on collaboration, we can unlock new potentials and drive progress in ways previously unimaginable. By embracing lifelong learning, fostering creativity, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can navigate this transition successfully and create a brighter future for everyone. Lifelong learning ensures that we stay relevant in a rapidly changing world, while creativity allows us to innovate and solve complex problems. Ethical considerations ensure that our advancements benefit society as a whole, making the future of collaboration not just a possibility but a reality.